Hi all, welcome to Heights to Fly. Hi all, today we are discussing about polynomials. It is one of the important concepts in mathematics. In today's class we are discussing about polynomials and some basic concepts. In higher levels, in degree levels or PG, all levels polynomials are very important. So let's go to the class. Polynomial is an expression consisting of variables and coefficients. What is a variable? Usually we use notations x, y, p, like that. These are variables in mathematics. It can hold values. So polynomial is an expression consisting of variables and coefficients. That is, if we are writing 3x, 3 is the coefficient of x. 3 is the coefficient of x. X can take any values, 1, 2, minus 2, 1 by 3, any value. And the polynomial involves only the operations of addition, subtraction, multiplication, etc. So what is the definition? Polynomial is an expression consisting of variables and coefficients that involves only the operations of addition, subtraction, multiplication, and non-negative exponents of variables So I am writing it. Polynomial is an expression consisting of variables and coefficients that involves only the operations of addition, subtraction, multiplication, and important thing, non-negative exponents of variables. Here one thing is variable, another one is coefficient, and third one is exponent. We explained what is a variable. A variable can take any values. And what is a coefficient? That is a variable. If a variable have a value before that, that is 3 into x, 3 is the coefficient. And exponent means 3x square. Square is the, or 2 is the exponent of the variable x. Here 3 is the coefficient, x is the variable, and 2 is the exponent. Hope you understand. And final condition, non-negative and exponent of variables. Non-negative exponent means if 3x raised to minus 2 is not allowed in a polynomial. 3x raised to minus 2 is not allowed in the polynomial because minus 2x has a non-negative exponent, negative exponent variable which is minus 2. Okay. And then let's discuss about the term. What is the meaning of the word polynomial? It is similar to this. Poly means many, nomial means terms. So consisting of variables and coefficients that involves only the operation of addition, subtraction. So it includes many terms which is in the form this one. So if we write 3x square plus 4x cube plus 2x, this is a polynomial. It can involve this. Another term minus 3. Okay, here the multiplication 3 into x square, which is 3x square. So multiplication is involved. Plus we use the addition operation here. Minus 3, there is no x term. Okay, there is no x term because the power of the x is x raised to 0 is represented 3x raised to 0 is this term 3x raised to 0, x raised to 0 is equal to 1, so we represent it as 3 only. We represent it as 3. Okay. What are the conditions which is not allowed in a variable? First we told that negative exponent is not allowed. Negative exponent is not allowed. 6x raised to minus 2 is not allowed. Okay. Or another case, 3p raised to minus 5. Here p is the variable. Such kind of exponents are not allowed in a variable, in a polynomial. If variable is in the denominator, if variable is in the denominator, that is 1 by x square. This means x raised to minus 2. Another form of this one, 1 by x square. Variable in the denominator portion is not allowed in a polynomial. Variable inside a radical or square root, that means root x, this is not allowed. This is not allowed. Root x is not allowed. Or root x raised to 3, or root z raised to 3, or root y raised to 5. These are not allowed. So let's write some invalid polynomials. Invalid polynomials. 1 by x minus 1. This is not a polynomial. Root x plus 2. 3x raised to minus 1 plus 1. 1 by x square plus 2x plus 3. These are not polynomials. These are not polynomials. Okay, then let's discuss some polynomials, examples for polynomials. Okay, 2y square minus 3y plus 4. This is a valid polynomial. Another one, x square minus 4x plus 7. Another one, 3x plus 5. X raised to 3 plus 2x yz square minus yz plus 1. All these are valid polynomials. Okay. Next, we are discussing a term. Okay. Once again, what is a coefficient? Coefficient. Each term have coefficient, variable, and exponent. Here, the coefficient is 3, variable is x, and the exponent is 2. Here, the variable is x, coefficient is 4, and the exponent is 3. Here, the variable is x, exponent is 0, and the coefficient is minus 3. Coefficient is minus 3. Okay, we can categorize polynomials. Before that, we are going to a term, degree of a polynomial. Degree of a polynomial. Degree of a polynomial means the highest power of the variable in that polynomial. The highest, for example, if x is the variable used in a polynomial, the highest power of x or variable x in p of x or variable y in p of y. For example, consider 3x plus 4. 3x plus 4, degree is equal to 1. Second case, 4p raised to 3 plus 2p square plus 1, degree 3. Next, Next case, 3 minus x square plus x raised to 3. X has highest power, degree is equal to 3. Okay, this is the degree of a polynomial. Another case, 7 u raised to 6 plus 4u square plus u minus 8. Degree is equal to 6. Okay, let's discuss the terms. Here, what is the coefficient? For this term, the coefficient is 7. For this term, the variable is u. This term, the power exponent is 6. And the degree of the whole polynomial is 6. So consider this case. Here the exponent is, what is the exponent of u? 1. Coefficient is 1. Variable is u. Okay. We can categorize polynomials based on the degree into mainly 3. Based on the degree. The classifications are linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial, and cubic polynomial. Linear polynomial. Let's discuss what is a linear polynomial. A polynomial of degree 1 is called linear polynomial. A polynomial of degree 1. General format is, we can write the general format as x plus b, where a not equal to 0. This is general format of linear polynomial. For example, 5x plus 3. 5x plus 3. Another case, y plus root 2. Here the value of a is 5 and b is 3. Here the value of a is 1 and b is root 2. Another case, x minus 2 by 11. Another case, 2 by 3 u plus 1. Okay. Consider an example, 2x plus 5 minus x square. Is this a linear polynomial? Is this a linear polynomial? No. This is not a linear polynomial. The highest degree of this polynomial is 2. So we can say it as a polynomial which is in another category, which is not a linear polynomial because the highest power is 2. So this is not a linear polynomial. And the second classification is quadratic polynomial. What? Quadratic polynomial. Quadratic means 2. It's related to 2. That means the degree is equal to 2. If the polynomial has a degree 2, it is called quadratic polynomial. And the general format is x square plus bx plus c. Okay, and the value of a should not be equal to 0. And the value of a should not be equal to 0. Okay. Examples. Let's consider some examples. 2x square plus 3x minus 2 by 5. Y square minus 2. Here the term y is 0. There is no problem for that. Initial value. This one should not be 0. Here the value is present. Y square. Simply 3x square. This is also a quadratic polynomial. Another case, 4 by 3 minus 2u square plus 5. This is also polynomial. Root 5 v square minus 2 by 3 v. 4 z square plus 1 by 7. All these are quadratic polynomials. Okay. Let's go to the next classification, cubic polynomial. Linear polynomial, degree is equal to 1. Quadratic polynomial, degree is equal to 2. And the third category, cubic polynomial, we know it as degree is equal to 3. When a polynomial has a degree, highest exponent power 3, then it is called cubic polynomial. And the general format for cubic polynomial is ax raised to 3 plus bx square plus cx plus d, and the value of a should not be equal to 0. Let's discuss some examples. 2 minus x raised to 3, simply x raised to 3, root to 2 x raised to 3, 3 minus x square plus x raised to 3, 3x raised to 3 minus 2x square plus x minus 1. All these are cubic polynomials. Okay, so today we discussed the term what is degree of a polynomial, what are the different categories of polynomials, then what is linear polynomial, quadratic and cubic. Let's discuss another factor related to polynomial. Consider a polynomial p of x. If p of x is a polynomial which is expressed in variable x, and consider a variable k which is a real number, then p of k means we are replacing x by k in p of x. Once again, consider p of x is a polynomial in variable x and k is any real number. Then p of k, that is we are replacing x by k in polynomial x, p of x. Then it is called the value of p of x at x is equal to k, and is represented as p of k. For example, consider a polynomial x square minus 3x minus 4. I am giving the value k is equal to minus 1. Then p of k, that is p of minus 1 is equal to, I am replacing the value of x by k. Then here in this polynomial also I have to replace the value of x by minus 1, that is minus 1 the whole square minus 3 into minus 1 minus 4. Okay, minus 1 the whole square means 1, minus 3 into minus 1 plus 3 minus 4, which is equal to 0. 1 plus 3, 4, 4 minus 4, 0. Another case, p of 1, that is I am giving the value 1 in place of x, that is 1 square minus 3 into 1 minus 4, that is 1 minus 4 minus 4 minus 3, minus 3 into 1, 3. Okay, minus 6. One more example, p of 4, then 4 square minus 3 into 4 minus 4, that is 16 minus 12 minus 4, which is equal to 0. Okay, here for p of minus 1 we get the value 0, p of 1 we get the value minus 6, and p of 4 we get the value 0. Then we can say that the terms p of minus 1 which is equal to 0, p of 4 is equal to 0, but p of 1 is equal to minus 6. Here minus 1 and 4 gives value 0 for the polynomial, above polynomial. So we can say that minus 1 and 4 are called zeros of the quadratic polynomial x square minus 3x minus 4. Minus 1 and 4 are called zeros of the quadratic polynomial. Zeros of the quadratic polynomial. This is the another term. What is zeros of a quadratic polynomial? When we are substituting a value in a given polynomial, it gives the final value as 0. Then it is called zeros of the quadratic polynomial. Okay, today we discussed what is a polynomial and what are the different terms related to a polynomial, like coefficient, exponent, variable, and what is an invalid polynomial, then degree of a polynomial, different categories of polynomials, and finally zeros of a polynomial. That is, zeros of a polynomial mean when we are substituting a value for a polynomial, it gives the final value or the value of the polynomial as 0, then it is called zeros of the polynomial. Then that values are called the zeros of the quadratic polynomial. Okay, on next class we will discuss more about solving a polynomial and more concepts about polynomials. So thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and share for new videos.